everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. So today's video is my go-to night skincare routine, but these are my favorite ones and this really works for my skin type. So if you guys do not know my skin type, number one, first you need to subscribe to my channel and then click the notification bell whenever time I upload a video and comment down below and let me know what type of skin type do you have. My skin type is basically oily combo, so I'm oily here, my nose, and then it connects here and then here. And then the rest of my entire face here is all dry, guys. So I battle with oily skin and dry skin at the same time. It was very difficult for me to actually pick and choose the right skincare. I'm gonna talk to you guys and remove my makeup and show you guys all the procedures and how I actually do my skincare. So first things first, the only makeup remover that I have been using for, I think I've gone through like 10 to 15 bottles of this, guys, seriously. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. All in one, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara, cleanses and refreshes it. This is for all skin types and for sensitive skin. This makeup remover doesn't clog your pores, doesn't cause you any irritation. It removes your makeup without over drying your skin. Yes, I know I've mentioned this in my previous video that, you know, it's a little bit of a hassle to throw on a cotton pad, put. But I really like it now is because it clears everything on your face. Waterproof makeup, eyeliner, matte lipstick, everything just comes out so smoothly. You gotta really see this, guys. It's on the pad and all I do is just... Did you see that? How it just came out? I'm not lying. Watch again. So how simple that was. Go over the eyes, let it set like for a couple of seconds. Just go in small, not harshly, gently, small circular motion, and everything just comes off like that. It's like Beauty and the Beast. Quickly moving on, I want to talk to you guys about the scars. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is all constant of just 2 weeks of not using this facial wash. And that facial wash is Kiehl's Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Facial Wash. So in my head I was like, okay, since I don't have this facial wash, why don't I use my normal morning routine facial wash to use it for night? Because it works for me in the morning, so probably it will work for me at night. And then it caused pimples after pimples. That's why the pimples actually came out, because I changed my facial wash. Okay, so now moving on to toners. I really love using the Neutrogena Alcohol-Free Toner. The best thing that I like about products where it doesn't strip your skin moisture, it doesn't make your skin feel tight. So this doesn't actually strip away the moisture, but this takes it all out. And as you can see, there was a little bit residue here and there of my foundation. You cannot expect a facial wash to do everything that removes no traces of makeup. You definitely will have that nooks and crooks on your face, which definitely will have a little bit of makeup like settled into your skin. That's why I love this toner, is because it takes out everything. After I tone my face, what I will do is I will go with serums first and then anything which is oil infused and then cream. If there's no oil infused, I will go like serums and then cream, because serums absorb faster inside your skin rather than creams. Creams, they do absorb, but they leave a layer onto your skin, so you gotta be a little bit careful. So for me, for serum, my favorite one, I go in with this Ulya Beauty Intense Age Define. It is one of the best serum that I've actually used, which helped me with my lines, my anti-aging. I had premature wrinkles on my face. I had eye bags. It's not like I don't have it anymore. I do still have it. Everybody has it. I've never used any serum that actually helped with my fine lines, guys. Hands down to them, they did an amazing job with this serum. Then next is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost, and this gives me the moisture and brings back the moisture to my skin. I think that, oh, your oily combination, you don't need moisture that much. Oh honey, you do, because if you don't moisture your skin, when you apply makeup, your oils come out more because your skin is not moisturized. Oils come out in your face is because your skin is dehydrated. I used to be like 100% oily in my T-zone area, like can fry an egg on my face, those kind. It went down to probably like 50% right now. I'm speaking out of experience. So next I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I mean, how long have you guys have heard me talking about this night repair? It's my favorite one. Firms up my skin, gives me the right contours on my skin. It doesn't make your skin sag. I've used this product constantly for like 2 years. So when I started actually using, I did see a little bit of reduce of lines, not majorly as the Ulya Beauty, but this literally helped me contour my face. After all of this is going on, I'll throw in the last one for my daily one is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Sea Collagen Serum. So this is oil base infused with water. So it's water and oil together. So you have to shake it up, apply this on your face. Why I apply this last on my face is because it has a little bit of oil base. Trust me, when I apply this, it's not going to go in really well. It was just like the water base will go in, but the oil will sit on your face. That's the difference. So why I put collagen onto my skin after all that? Because we want to keep the elasticity on our face. And elasticity plays a long part when it comes to skincare. It's because when you lose your elasticity on your face, that's where you get sagging, wrinkles. So as you can see how greasy my face is, the oil will sit on top. So that's why you cannot put anything else on your skin. And lastly, lip balm is because I use matte lipstick every single day. I go in with the Philosophy lip balm called Kiss Me Tonight, and this is amazing. No matter how dry my lips are, this just moisturize my lips the next day and my lips is soft. This is the end of my night skincare routine. I really hope that you guys enjoy. Comment down below if any of these products has caused you reaction to your skin. It's because I love your comments and your thoughts. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.